Good day everyone, Omar here, and today in 2 minutes how-to, we'll show you the best shutter speed settings for portraiture regardless the camera you have. We capture portraiture photography handheld. Some people like to look at the viewfinder, like this one, and some people like to look at the screen. And indeed, if my hand shakes a little, or the camera shutter speed settings is low, definitely you end up with a bloody shaky blurry images. The other day, a friend of mine said, Oma, I get the Sony 70-200mm and it's too bad. It's not sharp. Oh, I was shocked. I have the same lens and I know how amazing it is. So the problem, guys, is we don't use the proper shutter speed with the proper focal length. So what's the proper shutter speed though? First, turn your camera to manual mode if you are not already. And I'm looking, guys, to know what camera you have. Let me know in the comment section. Let's say you're using a 50mm focal length. The proper shutter speed would be though 1/100th. And the formula is 50, which is the 50mm, multiplied by 2. Turn it in your mind, make it 1/100th. So it's 50 multiplied by 2, it's 100. The proper shutter speed would be 1/100th. Now, what camera you have? A full frame or a crop sensor? If you don't know yet, Google your camera name and add next to it sensor size. So with the crop sensor camera, you have to multiply the same numbers we got earlier by 1.5, which is the crop sensor factor. The proper shutter speed when using a 50mm lens on a crop sensor camera will be now 1/150th. I would say if your camera has built-in sensor stabilization like most of Sony cameras, or your lens has optical steady shot or image stabilization, there is no need to multiply the focal length by 2. Let's say you are at 100mm, and now it would be fine to shoot at 1/100th shutter speed if you have sensor or lens stabilization. And before jumping to the rest of the video, I would like to introduce you to my new Lightroom preset packs we launched earlier. If you like the mood I'm using here, these presets are on sale now. Each pack includes about 10 different presets that work with different situations. Head off to omagamrawi.com/store and get yours now. That was 2 minutes. Thank you for checking out this video, guys, and on this channel we make camera gear reviews and the quick tips like this one. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful and bump the subscribe button for more videos like this. This was Oma, and see you in another one.